In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear saved to letter folder in Slack. So if you had saved messages in your saved for letter and you like to go ahead and clear them, then it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I have here saved for letter messages, and you can simply find your saved for letter messages by clicking on letter here. So if you click on this, now it will go ahead and take you direct to the messages you had saved for letter. And as you can see, it has highlighted one of the messages that I had saved for letter here. And I'd like to go ahead and remove these messages in this folder. To remove the message, just head over towards the right here, and you'll see these three dots or ellipses. Go ahead and click on them, and you'll see an option remove from letter. So if you click on remove, now you can see our letter folder is empty. So that's how you can remove messages from saved for letter folder. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.